Hey, all the parents out there, big heads up. Sorry for the wind volume here, but it's my daughter Sabrina out there. And people constantly ask Elena and myself, hey, how do you guys keep from spoiling your kids? Look, get them to work. Put your kids to work. Find out something your kids can do, something you need done, it needs to be done, that it gives them a purpose. It gives them contribution, the ability to contribute to the cause, to whatever's going on. I'm here at my house in Malibu, and we got a big rehab project here, and certainly I'm in a position to pay somebody to clean up, but that leaves them out of any contribution. I come here every day that I'm in Malibu looking to pick something up at the house, looking to improve something, looking to fix something, looking for what's out. They want to contribute. Your kids want to contribute. I don't make them do it. I don't force them to do it. They see me doing it, okay? We only allow them on the phone so much, and the rest of the time they can contribute. And here she is out there wanting to clean the deck, okay? This is our new deck that we just put in here. Big value add proposition we did to the property. She gets to be part of the contribution. I got doors and windows going in. Upstairs will happen next week. And look, I can't tell you how important it is to get your kids involved. You know that's true. It makes them feel good. Maybe you're having trouble getting them to work. Maybe you're like, man, my kids don't want to work. They just want to play on the phone. Well, goddamn it, take the phone away from them. Tell them that's it. You're going to earn the right to use the phone. I bought her a little bracelet yesterday. It was $20 for the bracelet, a little pearl bracelet. Okay? She loves her little bracelet. She said today, Papa, if I do the deck, can I earn some money? I said, sure, you can earn some money. How about I pay you with that bracelet I bought you yesterday? And it's your bracelet now. It's not a gift anymore. She's like, that's a great idea. And she's cleaning the deck. Put your kids to work, parents. Kids, get to work. Kids, get to work. Look for things that you can help mom and dad with. Man, your mom and dad work their butts off every day to feed you, to take care of you, to put a roof over your head. Don't take that stuff for granted. Figure out where you can throw, kick in, throw down, throw in, help out. Don't just throw up, okay? Don't be a freeloader, kids. Figure out how you can help your parents get to work. Ask your parents what you can do to help out. And I guarantee you, kids, what you're gonna find is your parents are gonna wanna give you more stuff, do more stuff with you. And most importantly, you're gonna feel better about being part of the house, being part of the tribe, being part of the family. You're gonna feel better because you're gonna be contributing to the creation that you and your parents are putting together called a family. Probably the most important single thing you can do in your lifetime is be part of a family. To be part of a special family. Remember, there's only one family like yours. Nowhere else on planet Earth will there ever be your family. Can't create it again, can't buy it at the store. You can't do it. I can build this again. You can buy TVs and doors and move walls and do all that stuff. And this will create a really, really special place that we're building out here. Very, very one of a kind, special property, but nothing compared, nothing. This property here in Malibu on Cardone Beach, this is called Billionaire Beach. It doesn't even remotely get close to the value that the kids and the parents, siblings, moms, dads, uncles, aunts, grandparents create when they build a family unit. All the memories, all the memories you build playing together, working together, creating together, okay? So, big message to parents and kids. Nothing's more important than family. You know that's true. I can get a new door. I can get a new pool cover. I can get new doors. I can get new paint on the house. Family. Hey, Sabrina! Sabrina! Great job, buddy. She said thank you, okay? Family, most important single resource on planet Earth. Love you guys. Be great. Share it with a family.